Welcome back to Sajid Superstars, in conversation with the superstar, Katrina Kaif. Katrina, now we talk about your life's best scene.
Okay.
There will be many unanimous different opinions about it. This is what I felt is your life's best scene. Let's have a look.
Hi.
Namaste ji.
Namaste.
Myself, Jasmeet Malhotra.
Please, please, have a seat.
Thank you.
Would you like to order now, sir?
Orange juice.
And for madam?
Oh, I'll have a vodka, please.
Vodka. जसमीत, तुम ठीक तो ना?
अबे, just call me Jazz. मेरे सारे बॉयफ्रेंड्स मुझे जैज बुलाते हैं.
Boyfriends?
No thing. दुनिया के हर कोने से एक. लेकिन मैं सबको सिर्फ आर्ट के बारे में बताती हूँ.
अच्छा.
पता है क्यों? Actually, वो जो नोवा था ना, वो दूर का रिश्तेदार था. ओसामा बिन लादेन का. मैंने मम्मी डैडी से कह दिया कि अब मैं तो किसी अच्छे हिंदुस्तानी लड़की से शादी करूंगी.
Where's the clapping?
Did Vipul Shah, the director of this film, act out and show you how to do
Never,
this?
never.
He never did
He
that.
used to always just say, you just go ahead and do whatever you're doing, and if you're going wrong somewhere, I'll stop you.
Because you did the scene effortlessly. Do you agree with me?
I always wish I could. This is one scene in the movie I wanted to do again, actually.
Why?
Because with the time constraint, I thought it was, we didn't have much time, and there was so much more I wanted to do with it, and I just thought that I somewhere.
But there's this whole saying that no matter how much an actor prepares, an actor is always unprepared. You know?
That's true, I guess.
But I genuinely felt this was your life's best scene.
Thank you very much.
Having said that,
I don't want to know your worst scene. I don't want to know.
this is one scene which I think we should have a look first. But before we see that scene, I just like to tell you that this is a bad scene. It was a hit film.
But yeah, and if it was a hit film, then there must have been countless people who thought it was a good scene.
Yeah, I felt it was a bad scene because in this scene you are bad. Have a look.
Mean.
समीर, you're too much. बीवी से झगड़ा हुआ तो क्या तुम बच्चों को भी ठुकरा दोगे? शादी के बाद उनसे मुझे मिलना तो पड़ेगा ना. मैं उनके साथ खेलूंगी, घूमूंगी. जरा सोचो, बच्चों को दो माँ का प्यार मिलेगा.
एक्स्ट्रा प्यार देने की कोई जरूरत नहीं उन्हें. वैसे ही एक माँ के लाड़ प्यार ने उन्हें इतना बिगाड़ दिया कि वो बाप को नहीं पहचानते. नहीं मिलोगी तुम उन्हें.
अच्छा, नहीं मिलूंगी.
नहीं
मिलूंगी.
नहीं. सोनिया, 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 सोनिया. सोनिया, सोनिया, सोनिया. ये तो खुला है. कहाँ हो तुम? हैं? अबे सोनिया, सोनिया, हाँ बच्चों से मिलवा दूंगी मेरी माँ, लेकिन पहले ये बचपना छोड़ो प्लीज.
सच?
सच.
अब मैं खुश हूँ.
अच्छा.
I think it's nice. I think there's nothing wrong with it.
Why do you think it's nice? I think your expressions were deadpan.
I don't think so. I think they are nice. I think we should do an audience poll.
I'm like the
Harmless, yeah. Why are
jury,
you so
judge and
mean?
executioner on Sajid Superstars. I am the audience. I think you were terrible in this scene. I think you were nervous at that time also.
I think it's fine. I don't see a problem.
No, seriously. Okay, according to you, which was your life's worst scene? You're an honest person, and
It
you
would have been in one of my South films.
South films, but you just said you're a big fan of your South films and you cried at the end of the shoot.
I had a good time. Didn't mean I was doing Oscar-winning work.
2 scales of 1 to 10 in terms of beauty, as a beautiful actress, as a superstar, 1 to 10, how much would you rate yourself?
No, I can't do that.
Honest to God.
No, I really wouldn't.
Honest to God.
I
Okay,
couldn't.
can I rate
because you can if you
9.5.
like. On?
10.
No, on what?
Beauty.
Oh, so sweet,
Superstar.
yeah? Thank you, but I don't want to hear your acting ratio.
You rate yourself as an actress. Honest.
No, I couldn't. I couldn't because I don't think that.
I'd say 6, 7.
It's completely different from person to person.
Who are the directors you're working with next?
Next, I'm working with Santoshi, Rajkumar
He is
Santoshi.
definitely going to extract a superb
Yeah.
performance from you. He's a superb director.
He's a superb director for actors, and
Yes.
that's the main reason why I actually wanted to do that
Second,
film. Vipul Shaw again,
your favorite?
after Number
This time, what
London.
portrait are you
Well,
going
he's
to
not the director, yeah, he's the producer. Anis Bazmi is the director.
Anis Bazmi. He's also very good with actresses.
Yeah. Subhash Ghai.
So, Subhash Ghai, Anis Bazmi, Vipul Shah, Rajkumar Santoshi, your lineup is very strong. So, another successful year ahead of you.
I hope so.
As an actress, do you miss sometimes not going up on stage and getting that Best Actress award?
I think primarily everyone has a different path in life. Everyone has a different career graph, a different destiny, what is meant for them. And there, if you take two examples, let's take the two biggest actors of our country, okay?
Male actor.
Let's just say, for argument's sake, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan.
Shah Rukh, Salman, okay.
Let's just say that. Shah Rukh gets the Best Actor award for so many of his films. He must have 20, 24.
Almost every year he gets it.
Almost every year
Yeah.
for one film or another. Salman has never gotten award for Best Actor. Never.
Not for Best Actor, but he got
Never.
it for Best Supporting Actor.
He got for Best Supporting
Kuch hota
Actor
hai.
once
Yeah.
in a career of 25 years. Everybody has, you understand what I'm saying? Everybody has different destinies, different paths. I'm not comparing myself to either of them. They're obviously legends, but that's not to say that Salman is any least successful or
he's not.
or something else.
No,
he
he's
just
not.
has his own style.
He's as popular, if not more. But the
Everyone
fact
has
is,
their own style.
okay,
you
name
know?
me one film where
Okay.
you saw an actress do terrific work and you said, shit, I wish I had done this film.
Bunty or Bubbly.
Bunty or Bubbly? You want?
I like those kind of roles.
Okay.
I like those kind of roles.
I
I'm
thought
sorry,
you'd
I'm
say
not going
something
to...
like Black, Rani
No,
Mukherjee Black.
no. Even though that is superb, I'm just saying that in terms of something like genuinely coming from the heart, a Bunty or a Bubbly.
Okay, so you instantly recognize Rani Mukherjee when you see her in Bunty or Bubbly wearing that Aki Narula outfit.
Yeah.
But let's see if you can recognize some of your colleagues whose faces I have morphed. Let's see how well you can recognize them. Who's this? Which actor is that?
The only name that's coming to mind right now is Adnan Sami.
Adnan Sami.
Yeah.
Very close. Very close.
Singer or actor?
This is an actor.
It's an actor.
And your co-star.
Oh, I've acted with him.
All the people you acted with, I've morphed their faces.
Oh, man, I've acted with him.
Yes, you have. Can I give you a hint? It was a film about
That-
boxing.
Oh, Bobby Deol.
Ah, there.
Yeah.
Yeah, see that
yeah.
Bobby?
Yeah, but that's like really a bit much. You've distorted his face
But
completely.
that's the whole idea. Okay, let's see if you recognize her.
Her, okay. Again, as character or as Lara Tata?
Was it the nose?
No, I'm sorry. I can see it somehow.
All right, so let's find out who this male star is, if you can recognize the face.
Upen Patel.
Why you say Upam Patan?
Because I can see it's Upen Patel. I couldn't see that was Bobby. You really distorted him
Yeah,
to
I know that.
another
Upan
level.
Patel. Next,
Now that Venkatesh.
Venkatesh.
Yeah.
It looked more like Rahul
Oh,
Bose.
what a sweet, yeah.
It
He
looks like Rahul
he looks
Bose.
like an alien.
Venkatesh.
He
Venky.
looks like an alien.
Is he also one of your close friends?
No.
He
He is
isn't.
very senior, and he kept all he did on the set was tell me to meditate and to be quiet and to sit calmly. He's very into that whole, meditation, higher spiritual powers things, and I was a bit too overactive and talkative for him.
So, you've been answering questions which I've been asking, and you've been answering them, I would say, all right. Not too great, and not so bad. Now, your colleagues, other actors are going to ask you questions which you have to be very politically incorrect.
Okay.
But after a short break.
Arbaz is very funny when he gets in his mood.
Salman's also a very funny guy.
Okay.
He's not.